Got the Phillips head screwdriver. Got the little hole for a straight pen. That screwdriver covers it up so it doesn't fall out. Got your hook. Partial hook or all-purpose hook. Focus. Okay, there we go. Got your reamer or leather puncher. Either way. Acts as a hand drill. Can put holes in leather. Little sewing eye there. Can opener with the wire stripper. As you can see, the little ridge down there. If you can't, then you're probably just stupid. Can opener. Very helpful, very helpful. Just open up 2 cans of baked beans, pork beans, whatever you want to call them. Big blade. Victorinox Swiss made on it, stainless. Officer Swiss. Small blade. I'm freehanding this on my iPhone 4S, by the way. It's a white iPhone 4S. Let's see here. I'm sporting my I am sporting a little leather strap on here, what I originally put on it, and just to help me find it, I put the got 2 cheapo hairbands up at the dollar store. It came in a pack of what, like 40. I just knotted them together and put that little key clip at the end, a little round blue key clip. Helps me find it a lot easier. It does come with the toothpick and tweezer, as I'll show for proof. Toothpick, tweezer. Let me go ahead and I probably need to pop those scales off and clean them. Toothpick and tweezer. Can't forget about that key ring. Swiss made sign. Just red plastic scales. Very nice overall.